In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can earn passive income by selling your unused network resources automated in an automated way using the Grass website. This Grass web platform is a new project that is rewarding people for selling their unused network resources. How do I mean? All you need to do is to create an account on the platform, download their extension, and just leave your extension connected. Okay, so they will be sharing you will be sharing your unused network resources with them. Okay, it's simply like a browse to earn. Okay, it's something like that, browse to earn. If you know about browse to earn, you browse and you earn, but in this case you don't do anything. You just simply connect your data, turn your data on, and make sure you are connected to the platform, and you will be earning passively. Now, if you want to get started with this project, check the link in the description of this video, or if you're in my community, you'll see the link as I have already uploaded it before now. To get started, all you need to do, click on the link. When you click on the link, it will take you to this page whereby you register. Okay, you put in your email, put in your username, put in your password, and confirm the password. Then the referral code, do not touch it. If you touch it, you have tampered with everything. It won't work for you. Okay, so leave the referral code exactly as it is. Then you click on the I agree to the terms button. When you click on it, you click on register. After you are done registering, you will be brought to an interface whereby you need to download the extension. Now with this it won't work with Google Chrome. Okay, it's going to need Kiwi browser. So what you need to do first of all is to do what? Go to Play Store, search for Kiwi browser. When you see Kiwi browser, install it. My own is saying update. I have it installed already. Install it. The reason why you need Kiwi browser is that it will give you the same feeling as someone browsing with a laptop or a desktop, because the extension will need to be installed, okay, before you can start earning. So on normal occasion, Google Chrome doesn't have the access for you to get extensions on your mobile phone, but the Kiwi browser does that. Okay, for example, if I open my Google Chrome right now, there is nothing like extension. As you can see, from beginning to end, there's nothing like extension. So as you can see, there's nothing like extension there. But if you open your what's it called, your Kiwi browser, if you click on the three dots at the top right, you will see extension over here. You can see that. And if you go down, you see the extensions you have on your Kiwi browser. So that is what I need. And if you look here, you see that I've already connected, and my network quality is 85%, and I've earned 23. Just now it was 18, and now it is 23. Okay, so you will be earning Grass. All right, I will be updating you guys on what or more you should know about more about this Grass project, how you earn and how you convert the earnings into cash. Okay, so I'll be sharing that with you, okay, in the coming videos. So if you are new to this channel, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon, so that when I drop the updates, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube. And also, hit the like button so that this video will go to many people as possible. Okay, that's the way you show your support for what I am doing. All right, now after downloading your Kiwi browser, you need to simply click on that link. Even if it opens on Google Chrome for you, if it opens on Google Chrome, just simply tap here on Google Chrome. When you type it, you just click on this pencil icon. Let's go to Google Chrome and see what I'm talking about. So let's say you click on the link, it opens on Google Chrome. Just tap or click. If it opens on Google Chrome this way, just click on these three dots here. When you click on the three dots, you click on copy link, or you click on this share icon here. Then you copy the link. Then you come over to your Kiwi browser. You paste in that link and search. So it will now open on your Kiwi browser this way. Then you create your account, email, username, and the username should be like a nickname and not your real name. So a nickname is okay. So put in your password and confirm the password. Click the small box, I agree to terms and conditions. Then you click on register. After that, you will now need to log in. You will log into your interface, which will look exactly like this. Okay, which will look exactly like this. If I refresh this, it should be more than 4.72. Let's see. Now see, so you'll be seeing something like this, but down here, over here, you'll not be seeing what you're seeing now on my own. You'll be seeing download the extension. So you click on that download extension around here. Click on download extension. When you click on download extension, it will bring up the extension for you, grass extension. Then at the side of it, you see add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. It will add it to Chrome. The next thing you see is added to Chrome or remove from Chrome. Now to get or to alternative way to install it or download it is to click on this three button, then click on extensions. Now if you click on extensions, you come over here to this search icon. When you click on the search icon, you search for grass extension. You see it here. This is it. So my own is showing remove. I won't remove it, but you will be seeing add to Chrome or something like that. So you click on add. Then when you add it, you now just go back. You go back to your dashboard. Then scroll down. When you click on the three buttons again, scroll down, you see it here. So all you need to do is to click on it. If you click on it, it will bring a page for you saying you should do what? You should log in. Okay, let me log out. So you'll be seeing something like this, login. So what you need to do is to put in your email and your password. Then you click on login. Now remember, this is the extension, which is different from the one you registered on. Okay, so this is the extension. So it will try to connect to your network. Okay, yes, that is your data network. As you can see, mine is connected already, and you can see my earnings over here. So your own, once you connect, it will start showing you your network quality, and it will start showing you as well your lifetime earnings. You see what it says? You are doing great. Keep connected to this network to earn. Okay, so like I said, I will show you very soon what you need to know more about this project, how to convert this your earnings to what, to cash. Okay, that update will be coming soon, so make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, hit like on this video. Then if you have questions, drop it in the comment section of this video. Okay, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys earn passively for life, like lifetime earnings. This is simply amazing. Okay, more updates coming soon. See you in the next video.